Hello everyone and welcome. The SRS, or Software Requirements Specification document, undergoes a thorough review process conducted by testing professionals or a group of reviewers. These reviews can utilize various verification methods such as peer reviews, walkthroughs, or inspections. Inspections, in particular, are highly effective and are known for producing excellent results. Reviews might be performed multiple times, 2 or more iterations are common, to continuously improve the document's quality. However, it's important to acknowledge that while reviews enhance quality, they also consume resources and can increase development costs. Now, let's highlight the role of checklists in this process. A checklist serves as a practical and structured verification tool. It includes a list of essential information that the deliverable must contain and helps identify duplicate, missing, unclear, or incorrect information. By using checklists during reviews, we can ensure a more structured approach, making the process both efficient and effective. In conclusion, combining iterative reviews with a well-crafted checklist ensures that the SRS document is both precise and comprehensive, laying the foundation for successful software development. An SRS, or Software Requirements Specification document, is essential for outlining both functional and non-functional requirements. It acts as a blueprint for the software and serves as a reference for stakeholders. However, crafting an SRS that is both detailed and accurate can be challenging, and this is where an SRS checklist proves invaluable. Here are the key elements of the SRS document checklist: purpose and scope. The purpose and scope section provides a high-level overview of the software. It explains its target audience, the problem it addresses, and outlines constraints, assumptions, or dependencies affecting development. Functional requirements. This section defines what the software should do. These requirements are specific, measurable, and testable, detailing the software's features, user interface, and data processes. Non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements focus on performance, security, reliability, and usability. Like functional requirements, these must also be measurable and testable. System architecture. Here, we describe the high-level design of the software, covering its components, interfaces, and data flow. Data management. This section outlines how the software will manage data, including database structures, storage mechanisms, and backup and recovery processes. User documentation. User interaction is crucial. This section specifies details about the user interface, user manuals, and help documents that support a seamless experience. Testing requirements. The testing section highlights how the software will be tested, including test cases, environments, and test data needed to ensure quality. Acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria define how stakeholders will validate and approve the software. It includes acceptance tests, validation benchmarks, and sign-off procedures. Project timeline. A comprehensive project timeline covers milestones, deliverables, and deadlines to keep the development process on track. Stakeholder list. Finally, this section identifies all stakeholders, their roles, responsibilities, and contact details to streamline collaboration and communication. By ensuring each of these elements is addressed, an SRS document becomes a reliable foundation for successful software development. Thank you for your attention, and let's strive for precision and clarity in our documentation processes. Now let's discuss about SRS document checklist and the key aspects it must address to ensure a high-quality and reliable software requirements specification. Let's explore each one in detail. 1. Correctness. The SRS document must ensure that every requirement accurately represents expectations for the proposed software. For instance, if a client specifies a button response time of 2 seconds, but the document states 20 seconds, this is an example of incorrectness. The checklist should verify that all requirements, including safety and security, are accurate and sufficient. 2. Ambiguity. Ambiguous requirements can cause significant misunderstandings. For example, if a statement conveys more than one interpretation, it can lead to confusion. Each requirement must have a single, precise meaning. The checklist must identify unclear or ambiguous terms and ensure that every statement is concise, clear, and unambiguous. 3. Completeness. The SRS document must cover all functional and non-functional requirements. Functional aspects like handling hardware faults, I/O errors, or processing overloads should be addressed. Non-functional aspects such as security and performance must also be included. The checklist ensures no critical elements are overlooked. 4. Consistency. Consistency is essential for a well-structured document. Requirements must not conflict with one another, and all objects must have unique and clearly defined characteristics. Additionally, terms like mathematical equations, acronyms, and abbreviations should be used uniformly throughout the document. The checklist highlights any inconsistencies for resolution. 5. Verifiability. Every requirement in the SRS should be verifiable. Vague terms such as good interfaces or excellent response time are non-verifiable and should be avoided. Instead, measurable terms and proper terminology like shall, will, and may should be used. The checklist ensures all requirements are stated in clear, testable terms. 6. Traceability. Traceability ensures that the source of every requirement is well defined, enabling seamless tracking for future development. This helps structure the document effectively. A well-designed checklist identifies gaps in traceability to enhance the document structure. 7. Feasibility. Some requirements may not be feasible due to technical limitations or resource constraints. The checklist should help identify such cases. For example, if data expected from external sources does not exist or cannot be sent to a defined destination, those requirements must be re-evaluated and possibly removed. By focusing on these elements, correctness, ambiguity, completeness, consistency, verifiability, traceability, and feasibility, the SRS document checklist becomes an essential tool for ensuring accuracy and quality in software development. Let's dive into the goals and advantages of an SRS document and explore why it's such a critical part of the software development process. Let's begin with its core goals. 1. Problem breakdown. The SRS document effectively breaks down the problem into manageable parts, making it easier to address each component systematically. 2. Input to design specification. It acts as the parent document for subsequent deliverables, such as the software design specification and the statement of work. 3. Feedback to the customer. It assures customers that their issues and needs are thoroughly understood by the development team, building confidence in the process. 4. Product validation. Check. Finally, it ensures high product quality by serving as a benchmark for validation. Now, let's look at advantages of SRS documents. 1. Clarity. The SRS provides a clear, unambiguous description of requirements, reducing confusion and misinterpretation among stakeholders. 2. Consistency. It offers a structured and consistent way to document requirements, ensuring that nothing is overlooked or misaligned. 3. Traceability. The document creates a traceable link between requirements and the final product, helping to confirm that every requirement has been met. 4. Validation. Lastly, it serves as the foundation for validating the software, ensuring that it aligns with the documented requirements. By addressing these goals and leveraging these advantages, an SRS document becomes an indispensable tool for delivering reliable and high-quality software. In conclusion, an SRS document checklist is an indispensable tool for successful software development. It ensures that all necessary requirements are captured in the SRS document, guaranteeing the software aligns with stakeholders' needs. By following a structured checklist, developers can create a comprehensive, accurate SRS document that serves as a reliable reference for everyone involved in the project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more insights on software development best practices. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.